Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. For your relationship and career situation, we are picking more cards from another deck, guys. So these are for your relationship first, and for your career situation, 3 more cards. If this reading resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start the reading with this general energy. Scorpios, we have 9 of swords, the Fool, and 10 of 9 of pentacles. So Scorpios, in your situation today, guys, maybe on certain things you have that emotional contentment, satisfaction. Maybe this may be the energy in your career situation or personal life, but on certain things you are making some immature decisions without thinking. So you are having that impulsive reactions. Maybe something has come up, you need to decide on something, but you are rushing without deep thought, guys. You have to have that clarity in your situation before beginning something. And there is a new beginning or opportunity coming in your life today. It may be in your career, or it may be something in your love situation. So someone has come and you find this person really attractive, and you are just obeying your instincts, rushing towards this love, rushing towards this connection without deep thought. So sometimes, maybe for some of you, it may land you in troubles, guys. Maybe this person may not be what they appear to be. So they are hiding certain things, and you will feel really vulnerable if you rush towards certain decisions, guys. And maybe these rash decisions may take you towards some mistakes or some wrong things in life. So you don't know anything about them. So you have to think clearly if you don't know anything about this person. Or it may be some situation in your career. So you have to think clearly, guys, before you are making some choices in your work or for your personal life. So you have to think clearly, avoid that instincts you have in your situation. So all that impulsive reaction or obeying your instincts, maybe naturally you feel attracted to someone. Maybe you may feel attracted to their physical appearance or the words they speak, but what is in their heart, you do not know, guys. So you have to be really careful, guys, Scorpios. So attraction towards their words, that may not work well for you, Scorpios. So you need to be really careful, guys. So let's see what are the cards, the other set of cards we have specific to your relationship. We have Justice in reverse, 3 of Moons in reverse, and 5 of Suns in reverse. So for your relationship, guys, this may be what you feel about this person, or what they feel about you, or this connection. So just like we saw with the previous cards, this person, uh, whatever you see, it may not be the truth, guys. So some kind of they are hiding something, or they are not showing their true face to you. So you need to take time. If you really like this person, you need to take time and wait, see where things are going with this love, with this connection. And maybe for some of you, this person has certain addictive behavior. Maybe they are indulging in some activities. It may be harmful kind of behavior, guys. So you need to just like I said, you have to take time, stay away from them before you get the clarity. You should not rush in towards this connection. Maybe you are in a new connection with this person and you don't have that understanding, you just have that attraction towards them. You need time, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Maybe you feel that strong attraction, strong instincts towards them to be in a relationship with them, but you have to hold your hold your horses, wait, take time before making some important choice. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, we have the completed world in reverse, initiate of moons, and ace of suns. So in your career situation, guys, I see that things, some kind of new beginning is coming in your situation. Maybe it may be something you love to do, maybe a beginning of a new project, or an invitation for some kind of a collaboration or some meeting. It may be an important meeting deciding the future of your business. Something positive is what is happening today, and it may be a beginning of a new business altogether, guys. It may be a second business, some new venture is coming in your situation, guys. So that is what I see for your career situation. Maybe for some of you it may take time, this new beginning, it may take time to manifest, but it is starting today, guys, something you can be happy about. So a glimpses of very positive future. That is what I see for your Scorpios for your daily reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.